Hello. Have you ever feel like life was moving just a little bit too fast? I used to think that being busy meant being productive. But lately, we've realized that in the rush of life, we were missing the very moments we were working so hard for. Hi, welcome to my first vlog. I'm Agnes Lu, a proud mother of two and a wife to a hardworking man. On this channel, we'll talk about finding peace in the middle of a busy household, choosing what truly matters and letting go of the rest, while appreciating the small, quiet moments that actually pass us by. We are the Lamang Wanit family, and this is our journey towards exploring the beauty of living slowly and intentionally. We live in a small house we call the Barracks. It's a rental company shuttle bus terminal base where my husband is in charge of the maintenance department. This channel is a mix of my family life and my personal journey of self exploration. I want to show that a simple life isn't just less, it's actually more.
Ya, halika na kaya.
I'm not an expert, I'm a student of life just like you. I'm learning how to balance the hard work of supporting my husband and raising our two children with the need to nurture of my own soul. I started this channel to explore life beyond my roles at home and to live with purpose alongside my small family here in the Philippines. Through authenticity, simplicity, and mindfulness, I want to show that a simple life can be a genuinely happy one. This channel isn't about showing a perfect life. It's about documenting our shift from chaos into connection. For us, slow living isn't about doing nothing. It's about doing the things that matters most with our full intention. So if you're looking for a community that values authenticity over perfection, please share your own stories in the comments. because I truly want this to be a conversation. Thank you so much for joining us for our very first video. Sending you all so much love. I'll see you in the next one. Ingat!